Hi everybody, this is Hareesha from H&B Premier Tax and Accounting LLC. I'm a CPA here in Baldwin. I just want to get you a quick update. Yesterday I did a video about IRS extending tax payment deadline. So now today we got the announcements. They're not only extending tax payment deadline, now they are also extending the filing deadline until July 15th. So not only you have to pay now until July 15th, you also can wait to file your taxes until July 15th. However, if you think you're going to get a refund, I encourage you to go ahead and file without waiting till July 15th, so you could get your money sooner. So that's that update. And then there are a lot of new developments are going on. They are discussing about extending payment times on payroll taxes as well, for businesses. So keep like our channel. We'll get updates, as and when we get them. Now today I wanted to bring your special attention to New York's small business, loans and grants, which New York City announced, Mayor de Blasio. So very special. When I say New York City, this is only for the businesses in 5 boroughs. That means Queens, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Bronx, and Staten Island. This doesn't, this is not applicable to any businesses, other than in 5 boroughs. So basically, it's 2 programs. One is a loan, the other one is a grant. The loan program is for businesses that has less than 100 employees, but more than 5 employees. So what they have to do is they have to show that they have a 25% reduction in revenue due to coronavirus outbreak. They could show it, through their sales reports, or they could get a CPA certified, letter showing their, loss in revenue. So if you could prove that, you will be eligible to get a loan up to $75,000. Now that's for the big businesses. And then for small businesses that has 1 to 4 employees, it has to be only 1 to 4 employees. If you have more than 4 employees, this doesn't apply to you. So then in this case, if you have experienced 25% reduction in revenue due to coronavirus outbreaks, you have to prove that, you could get 40% of your payroll cost. So let's say you have 4 employees that every week it costs you $2,000 to pay your employees. So then the New York City will pay 40% of that. That's $800 up to $27,000 for next 2 months. It's only applicable for next 2 months, and also maximum is $27,000, right? So then for both the businesses, small and big, they should have been in business more than 6 months, and also they should not have any outstanding tax liens. If you have any outstanding tax liens, you cannot apply for this. If you have not been in business more than 6 months, then you cannot apply for this either. How do you apply? You have to go to New York City Finance website, and then they have a page called Small Business page. So you have to go to that page, and then you could apply from there. So if I can show you, this is that page look like. So you go to that website, you could Google it, and then you could find the web page, and then they have 2 surveys. So fill out the survey and submit your information and see if you qualify, if you can get some help during this difficult time. So if you need any help in these areas, we could certainly help. We could get a call and answer your questions. So make sure that you check out if your business is eligible for that. And also I got a lot of calls from some of our clients that they wanted to know how to apply for unemployment. So the way it works, if you have been laid off, or if you didn't get paid, even if you did not get laid off, you did not get paid, you could go ahead and apply for unemployment. How do you do that? You go to New York State Department of Labor website. They have a link, how to apply for unemployment, which gives you, step-by-step instructions. So you need your pay stubs, keep, last couple of pay stubs. So they need, that information. They need your employee information. So once you fill out all of that information, they will process the application. So you don't need to get laid off if you didn't get paid, or if you get paid less hours. In either situation you could apply for unemployment. Again, during these difficult times, like I said yesterday, preserve your cash flow, spend carefully, and then also there are a lot of help available if you can get help from any place, anywhere. So seek for that help. And then there are more news coming out about proposed changes about tax rebates, and then payroll tax reliefs. They're not finalized into the law yet. As soon as we get the final confirmations, we'll update you accordingly. Again, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.